Hi, this is the Moto G73 and I'll show you all the box accessories with which our device comes. So let's first open the box. So what I got here, this is the clear protective case, the silicone one. Also we got here the USB Type-C cable and the charger brick. This is the Motorola original charger brick. Let's check it. So yeah, we got here all of the specs. We can check it if you want. And also in this paper box inside we can find some paperwork, the quick start guide, empty guide, and the warranty card, and this semi jack tool. So that's it. That's all of the box accessories with which our device comes. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.